Whoops, nearly. These rugs can be a complete and utter death trap sliding about the floor. But not on my watch. Not with my carpet tile tape. Lifting one corner at a time, we're just going to adhere the tape to the back of the rug, as you can see. We're going to use an item underneath so our blade of our knife doesn't cut through to the back of the rug, and then simply repeat on the opposite side. The important thing to remember is to firmly press down on your subfloor to get that good adhesion. So repeating this process in all four corners of your rug. You can also do the centres if you feel it's needed, but this is only a fairly light piled and lightweight rug. And should you ever have to relocate or reposition your centre carpet or rug, the tape comes off your subfloor extremely easily. Carpet tile tape is a very special double-sided tape with a unique property in its centre, which is like a mesh structure, and that helps it adhere to any material and most, if not all, subfloors, and it's very easily removed. All done. No more trip hazards. A nice, safe and secure rug in the centre of our room. Like and follow for more flooring videos.